Has India really conceded too much to the United States in the interim trade agreement that the two countries have made public only a couple of weeks ago? Now, we don't actually know the fine print of this trade deal yet because both sides are still working on that. Indian officials are expected to travel to Washington next week to dot the I's and cross the T's, and they're hoping that an actual agreement will be made public and be in place sometime in March. But there has been huge controversy here in India, in particular, about just what India has agreed to, whether this is an agreement that is favored more to America. The fact that India has agreed to open up its agricultural sector has raised some alarm bells, though the government insists that the interests of farmers are protected. Also, the American claim, right from the president downwards, that India has decided not to buy Russian oil anymore has not been countered with a yes or a no from the Indian government. All that Foreign Minister Jaishankar has said is that India's strategic autonomy remains intact. However, there are, as I said, still so many questions on what exactly has been agreed to and what the contours of this agreement will be. And in the end, what we want to know is who really benefits more from this, India or the United States.